It just so happens to be Talk Like a Pirate Day, so Pumpkin thought she would get out her pirate outfit and just like a pirate. And apparently she's acting like one too. Ooh. Say "arr", mateys. Hmm? What other pirate words do you know, Pumpkin? That's not a pirate word. That's a kitty word. Oh. Well. Well. Really? See, I'm gonna go walk the plank. Close enough. Close enough.